Our adventure begins as journalists from Latin America arrive at the welcoming Norman Manley International Airport. They've come to explore the heart and soul of Jamaica. The journalists boarded a shuttle to savor a sumptuous lunch at Tea Tree Creperie in the Courtly Hotel, New Kingston. The restaurant offers a French fusion cordon bleu-style menu with a unique twist for all palates, making it the first of its kind in Jamaica. As they enjoyed their meal, Adtelligent CEO Craig Powell and Tech Beach CEO Kirk Hamilton provided an introduction to Jamaica and the events of the upcoming week. With satisfied appetites, our journalists check into the elegant S Hotel in New Kingston. Simultaneously, some journalists find themselves at the Rock Hotel, a hidden gem in the heart of downtown Kingston.
My name is Danielis Fermin and I'm from Dominican Republic. I'm a journalist in El Dinero, so I'm so excited of being in Jamaica. I'm so happy.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm from Dominican Republic and it's the first time here in Jamaica. I'm very excited. I want to know different places here. I want to know the culture of Jamaica and your food too.
A new day of exploration awaits as we ascend the winding slopes of Blue Mountain to savor Jamaica's finest coffee on a trip planned by Adtelligent and the private sector organization of Jamaica to showcase Jamaican businesses and culture in partnership with the Jamaica Tourist Board. We begin at the Café Blue, where the enchanting aroma of Blue Mountain coffee beckons, a place where conversations flow and Jamaica's spirit dances with every sip. Café Blue is renowned for serving some of the finest Blue Mountain coffee in Jamaica. This coffee is globally acclaimed for its mild flavor and unique aroma, thanks to the high-altitude coffee farms in the Blue Mountains. All throughout the period, the journalists streamed to their audiences of over 100 million people in their respective countries across Latin America, building brand awareness for Jamaica and the sponsors. Next, we make our way to downtown Kingston, where we immerse ourselves in Kingston's creative heartbeat at the Downtown Art Walk. Birthed in 2018, this ever-expanding art district now boasts dozens of stunning murals, each one telling its own story. 63 murals have been developed to date by Kingston Creative, employing local and community-based artists. Amidst vibrant street murals, we exchange dance moves from different cultures, celebrating the universal language of art and rhythm that unites us all. Now, we venture to Kingston Wharves, the dynamic hub of Jamaica's commerce. Kingston Wharves serves as a crucial transshipment hub in the Caribbean. It receives goods from various parts of the world and redistributes them to other destinations in the region. The Panama Canal significantly influences this role. Ships passing through the canal can efficiently reach the Caribbean, making Kingston an ideal port for transshipment. Our journey takes us to the prestigious Jamaica Stock Exchange investments that shape Jamaica's destiny, connecting with the global stage. The Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE, is renowned for its use of top-notch technology, making it a safe and efficient stock market. It has been ranked as the world's top-performing exchange twice by Bloomberg. We conclude our journey at the Spanish Court Hotel, where luxury and hospitality unite, indulging in culinary delights amidst the elegance of Kingston. From intellectual exchange at the Keys to LATAM conference to cultural immersion in Kingston, this journey unveils the essence of Kingston, Jamaica.